Hare Krishna. Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami. Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, the son of Venkat Bhatt, a Sri Vaishnava Brahman, appeared in Sri Rangam, South India. Lord Chaitanya once stayed 4 months in his home and converted the family to Gaudiya Vaishnavism. A mere boy at this time, Gopal personally served the Lord. Sri Chaitanya treated him affectionately, giving his remnants and blessings to become an acharya. During his 4 month stay, Lord Chaitanya developed a close friendship with Venkat Bhatt, which Krishna Das Kaviraj describes as Sakhya Rasa. Freely conversing with each other, they would often laugh and joke together. One day, in a humorous mood, Lord Chaitanya asked Venkat, "Why does your worshipable goddess of fortune, Sri Lakshmi Devi, abandon the happiness of Vaikunt and her service to her Lord Narayan? Why does she go to Vrindavan and perform severe austerities to attain the association of my Lord Gopal, the cowherd boy of Vrija?" "I can't understand these mysteries," said Venkat, "but you, being the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself, can surely enlighten me." "Lord Krishna has one unique quality," said Lord Gauranga. "He attracts the hearts of everyone with his personal conjugal love, Madhurya. Lord Narayan only has 60 transcendental qualities, but Sri Krishna has 64, and all of them are saturated with his unique quality of Madhurya, that is honey sweetness. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, attracts the minds of Lakshmi Devi, but Lord Narayan can never attract the minds of the Vrij Gopis. In Vrij Leela, Krishna, disguised as Lord Narayan, once appeared before the gopis who were searching for Krishna. Seeing Lord Narayan, the gopis said, "O Lord Narayan, pranams. Where did Krishna go? Did you see?" By following the gopis, who spontaneously love Krishna without awareness of his godhood, one can attain Krishna. The Shrutis worshipped Krishna in the ecstasy of the gopis. Following in their footsteps, they received gopis' bodies to join Krishna in the rasa dance. Lakshmi, however, wanted to enjoy Krishna, but retain her spiritual form as Lakshmi Devi. Without following the gopis' footsteps, no one can attain Krishna. After receiving initiation from Sri Prabodhanand Saraswati, Gopal Bhatt came to Vrindavan and became a dear friend of Sri Rup and Sanatan Goswamis. He did bhajan in Vrindavan for 45 years, mostly at Radha Kund. On pilgrimage, he obtained 12 Shalagrams Shilas. Later, the Damodar Shila manifested himself as the beautiful Radha Raman deity. Since 1542, Radha Ramanji has been worshipped with pure devotion, following precise Shastric rituals. Lord Chaitanya ordered Gopal Bhatt to write a book to check the spread of pseudo-loving rasas and negligence to Vaidhi Bhakti. In corroboration with Sri Sanatan Goswami, he compiled the Hari Bhakti Vilasa, the authorized book explaining the ritual and devotional practices of the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. He also wrote Sat Kriya Dipika and the outline for Sri Jeev Goswami's Sat Sandarbhas. He eternally serves Srimati Radharani as one of her Ashtamanjaris, Guna Manjari. His samadhi is within Radha Ramanji's temple compound behind the appearance place of the deity. Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami initiated Gopinath, that is Pujari Goswami, a lifelong brahmachari who served Radha Ramanji for his whole life. Gopal Bhatt Goswami initiated Srivas Acharya and many other stalwart Vaishnavas. Thank you. Hare Krishna.